Hello, in today's video I'll make a review about this Real Madrid special edition Benzema Ballon d'Or version jersey, which is a player version size XL Real Madrid season 2022-2023 jersey. This is how the overall shirt looks like, and let's start with the bottom. This one is heat ready technology because it's an authentic version, and also here's this badge and the Fly Emirates logo, which is heat pressed with this very smooth material, and the logo of course is also printed from this plastic material, and it's the same as the Adidas logo, so they are not embroidered as they are not a fan version jersey. And also here's this button with every detail on it, and the shoulder of the jersey with this purple plastic printed stripes on it, which is really cool. I really like it. And if we go to the color of the jersey, here we can see this 120 years and this heat ready super authentic color. Now let's go to the back of the jersey, which, as I said, is customized with this special name and number, the Benzema Ballon d'Or version. The letters are very high quality, printed from a really strong and nice smooth material. They don't seem that they will be falling off really soon. They are printed really well, and also the number with this special photos with Benzema and this goldish color. It just looks amazing. It's probably like an original jersey. I really like it. As you can see, it's really nice, and I think that it's amazing how they replicated these photos. And this would be all about the back of the jersey. I really hope you like this video review, because this one is a really special jersey with really nice customization. It's a special edition jersey, and this is how it looks like. And also, if you want to see some measurements, I will compare this with fan version L jersey, so you can see the exact differences. This one is a separate video review. You can check it on some top right corner. You should check it also out, because I compare everything on this jersey with the fan version jersey, so you can see the exact differences. But I also hope you like this review, and if you have any further questions, please let me know in the comments below. Please subscribe so you don't miss any new videos. Thank you, goodbye.